Pivot is 31,848. Support 31,666. Resistance 32,248. So less than 100 points away from the upside targets. Trend is up. And it is a narrow range. We know that. We don't have, so you're not going to have the kind of scalp type trading that we did probably a couple of times during the week. And the only numbers that we had, guys, the PMI, composite flash, and a rig count. So not much in the numbers. But we do want to make money.
Yes.
So far, the only trades that we've done were long trades. And really only one real trade. No scalp trades this morning. Would I buy a first touch rule in this area between 75 and 24? There's your buying zone right in here. We're going to label it out here for you. Also, keep warning everybody, but no trading for newer traders for the first 6 minutes. We like to take 6 minutes to see if profit taking comes in, where the larger orders are, and you will be amazed.
I was going to ask if we wanted to say that this morning.
I know you're ready to. Yeah.
Prepare to be amazed.
And guys, you know, there sometimes you'll see different styles of trading. We'll let you know what we're doing. Okay, that doesn't mean everybody again has to all do the same thing. Some of you like breakout trades, others are pullback. I sort of it's a combination. It's almost like give me the pullback, and immediately when the pullback's over, I take the trade. So, for example, if the market pulls back 80 points, goes up 10, down 12, right? Up 13, I'm long when it's up 13. Does everybody understand what that looks like the way I just described it? You should be able to, like a chess player, you should be able to see the board. So what does that mean? Let me show you real quick. So if the market's coming down and then it goes up, I want to buy it, let's say. I'd love to see this come down a little bit more and then a little bit higher up. So this upswing is a little bit bigger than this downswing. That's my sign that the market is bottoming, and that's when I'll take it long up there. All right? Does that make sense? That's the kind of trade I want. Now, real quick, we use as confluence that number that we gave you, the volatility number of 160. If we get a W after the market pulls back 40 points, that's not as strong as a W if it pulls back 160. Use all the tools that you can. We are ready to go. 10 seconds.
10 seconds.
And if there are questions, ask them after we're done trading.
Bingo. And just to clarify, no trading for first 6 minutes, guys. In this group, you must have, we're open for business. You must have permission by a coach to trade the first 6 minutes, sorry.
Perfect advice. We are open for business.
And they're off to the races.
Off to the races, yeah.
Off to the races.
Victor is here for the 5th day. He survived. No ambulances required. Amazing.
Still got a pouch of Band-Aids in.
So again, I just do a little mental calculation, right? And we say, all right, where's the upside right now? Where's the highest price that it hit? I mean, it's not going to pull back 160 points right there, but 185, right? So if you think about it, this buying zone is a perfect area.
Hey, how about that?
Ticks also start off with buy programs plus 800. A lot of traders, bigger traders, will wait for the first low stochastic, even on this chart right here, the 133. They'll see that go below 20, and the first time it hooks up as a buy signal, and then they'll jump in.
So, guys, we're just patiently waiting for the market to figure out what it wants to do.
Yep.
I think I'll take Coach's advice. When we get some low stochastics and a hookup, I'll nibble along.
Here we go. Getting ready.
My mic was muted. I am long. I went long as soon as.
Yep, we're long. 167 is my trailing stop right now, guys. 167 flat.
There we go. Good little trade.
Great call, Coach.
Great call. Yeah.
See that little hook right there, guys? As soon as it
Got
broke,
him.
the top right there, 155, boom.
And that's the exact trade we've been talking about, Tim.
Yep. Now, you newer traders, just watch this. The newer traders watch the same kind of pattern if it drops down to 128. Low stochastic, hooks up.
Anybody? We still have 3 minutes before 6 minutes is up, guys.
Yep.
So
Just
anybody
make a mental note. Make
Yep.
a mental note of these setups. Say, all right, I get it. We're watching that. When it starts bottoming, ticks come lower, and it just starts trailing up and go long. You can put a buy stop. Like even now, you can put a buy stop. If it starts coming up, you're automatically long with the new rally and keep trailing your buy stop.
What? Order filled, Victor?
That was Victor,
Yeah.
yeah.
I closed out a position.
Oh, he closed out a position. Yeah, we're coming right back into an area that we identified as support. So I'm already trailing a buy stop.
Hey, me too. How about that? Great
Yeah,
minds think alike.
131 actually I have a buy stop right now. I'm nowhere near it, as if I was short. All right, 125. 119. So I'm not worried about buying the pullback. It's still pulling back. I don't want to be a hero and jump in and call the bottom. I'm saying if it starts going back up. Get ready.
Yep. So, guys, again, newer traders with us. A couple people just showed up. We are no trading first 6 minutes for new people unless you've been given permission by a coach. Getting ready to hook up. We're just waiting for a long signal.
Goes above, 83 long.
Yep.
First target to be 93. 98 would be your second target. Right into our 66 area, you noticed. Boom.
You guys got that?
Okay, 6 minutes have gone by. Now even the newer traders are allowed to look for buy signals here.
See, guys, it
Keep
wasn't
your
that long.
zone, guys. Yeah.
Wasn't that long.
Now,
Seems like forever. Yeah.
It does, doesn't it?
6 minutes after that.
Sometimes it seems like it's forever. Welcome new people to the
5
group.
days went by
Yeah.
fast.
Isn't it amazing how we got that put? Let's see. The high right now was what? 193, right?
Yep. I took a little W long, a little long there,
Yeah.
Coach. On the hook.
Get up there. Get up there. Get up there. Come on.
Took profits a little bit already, guys.
Team, I'm in. Come on, it's not bad.
Or lose trade, guys. If you got in
Yep.
the right price, you're should be at close to break even here.
Next target, 108.
Good job, Tim. There we go. Good job,
Boom.
guys.
Good job, coach.
Good job. All right, just trailing now. Coach, where would you have your stop, Coach?
Yeah, I had it at 60, and now we're raising it to 86.
Perfect.
86, and now the top of that W right there, 98 is the stop.
Yep.
Right at the top of that W. Yeah, top of the W is the stop.
Good job, guy.
Got 2 left. One more target at 137. One more target. There we
There
go.
it is. There
All
it
right.
Nice.
Now raise the
Like
stop
it.
to 132. Raise the stop to 132. Just lock that in. Just leave it.
Tim, that's inside your rules. That's confluence on
Oh,
both.
yeah.
Tim, that should have been a trade that you should have been in, Tim.
You could get a 160-point runner on the upside. Raise the stop to 32. 33. Up, stopped out at 33.
Got me.
Boom.
Up at 33.
There you go.
Go.
133. Stopped out.
Nice trade, guys.
Yeah.
I made $15 off that runner.
Yeah.
Micro Mini.
Oh, good job, Tim.
$15 and a micro mini. 30 points. Good job.
You're still in the trade then, right, Tim? You're still in. Tim, you should still be in if you're doing what we did. All right, fantastic. Good job, buddy. Tim
And
follows
later we'll
rules. I like
explain
it.
what we mean by that. So the more the merrier, we call it.
Anybody still in this trade? Anybody still in? You should be flat now, right?
It's a
All
great.
right.
Yeah, well, I'm flat right now.
I just went flat too. Took a couple extra ticks out of it.
Good job, Heather.
Hey, great job, guys.
Caitlin's down for the building.
Yeah,
Good job.
Caitlin's already done.
Good job, Caitlin. Caitlin and her whole family's watching us. They have it on the big screen at home.
Yeah,
Family affair.
The whole family affair.
you have a whole bunch of new traders
I have
now.
one.
Start getting trading straight out of diapers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now remember, guys, 2 minutes. Stochastic, believe it or not, is still headed down. So we might get another test on the low side where we could go in and buy again. It is possible.
Danny's trailing on the parabolic.
Yeah.
I usually like to get really Bollinger Band that we don't lose quite so much if it snaps back on you.
Yeah.
All right, Caitlin. I'm going to ask your husband when I meet him if he hears the order filled after you say you're done for the day.
Yeah. Start getting the family to tattle on you.
Yeah.
Well, you know, it is funny. Accountability is very, very important.
Yes, it is.
Somebody should be there. And if not, that's what the coaches do.
Yeah.
We are your accountability factor.
Ask Noel if we're going to hold you accountable, guys. News in 5 minutes. Thank you, Mr. New York City.
Told you you'd be amazed, right, guys? Jackson, great job. 4 for 4.
Nice.
Excellent.
Yeah. Turn off the
In
computer.
the first, guys, in the first 15 minutes, or actually, you traded before the official open, right, Jax? The 8:30. So still an hour and 15 minutes,
Yes.
4 for 4. I mean, there's your better than working at Walmart.
Right. I love that we that usually by 10 a.m. we're telling people to leave the room.
Yeah,
Yeah, go away.
yeah.
Go away. You're done.
Some people still on the
Regular.
subway going to work. Train broke down, accident on the highway, blowing their horns, and you guys are done. If you have pets, that's about the only traffic jam. Stepping over the lazy pet.
That is my traffic jam every morning.
Yeah. I have one cat that blends in with one of the rugs there. You got to watch out. You don't step on that.
I know.
Yeah. Chrissy. Rug colored cat.
Oh, Sean's subway trading. He's all on the way to work trading.
Yeah. Yeah.
How in the world does your hotspot do that well?
I actually, Sean, I looked into putting an ad on the IRT Broadway train station. When you're packed 6 deep in July and August, and it's 104 with 100% humidity in a subway station, and people are like pressing against each other, and sweat is trickling down, in the back, and it says, "Would you like to trade for a living where you are now on Wall Street, or here and take a picture by the pool?"
Those of you itching to trade, look for the low stochastics here.
Yep. Victor did take a scalp short, but he's already proficient in reading the tape. So there's a difference. We don't recommend short or counter trend trades.
Took a little long here, y'all.
That's probably one of my only shorts I'll do today.
Yeah. Well, you never know. Later on, hey, 2 o'clock, it might be different.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, I can't believe that goes so fast.
Yeah.
Have a signal.
I'm watching the ticks again for a 0 tick reading along with the stochastics. So if we can get the low stochastics here with a 0 tick read, that's a double indicator of go long.
Yep.
The more the merrier, we call it, right? Having as many good indicators. Let's say all of them. Let's say you get low ticks, first touch roll, 15 range buy signal, right? Boom, boom, boom.
Stochastics.
Oh man,
That's the way to go. So we keep preaching to people. Confluence, guys.
Yeah.
The more you can line up, the better chances you have.
If all 3 agree, Ravi, then it is definitely a long. All 3 must agree.
So we're waiting
Like
for
Johnny
the low
Boston.
stochastics. 0 tick read, Ravi, and
I'm like Johnny Cochran. All 3 must agree. If the glove don't fit, if the trade doesn't fit,
Then you must.
then you must sit.
No, you must quit.
Yeah.
And we've had a couple newer people show up, Coach. Guys, anybody new with us, we are very patient traders in this room. We're waiting for our specific setup. And
Yeah.
I heard somebody do order field. Or did I make that up?
Not here. We're still
Okay.
waiting.
Yeah, be patient, guys. We are patient traders. Go watch our videos. You'll understand why we patiently wait.
Watch your ticks now. Yep. Keep it on
Here
your
we
stick.
go.
They're low enough. Now we wait for those 15 range down signals. That's fine. Let them go. Let them go. Let them go.
All right, Tim, get ready.
Low ticks when you got stochastics are bottoming out. So
Right.
that's a good sign.
Yep. You can have your mouse on the buy signal without having to look at it. You can just basically look at your tape. then it provides you that luxury.
I'm watching for the stochastic green to hook back up over the red.
Yep.
I'm getting ready to do it now.
There it is. Did you see that?
Boom.
Yep.
Got it. Tim, did you get that? Should have gotten profits and done.
99 was your buy.
Nice job, Tim.
Good job, Tim.
Yeah, one of these will be a runner, Tim. Keep doing that.
Yep.
One of these will be a runner.
Now, by the way, Coach, you weren't here for that. Today's the first day I am using an ATM and then maneuvering this. So all I have to do is my stop on the other one. I have it exactly set the way you showed, or Wilbur or you. I'm not sure who showed Victor the ATM setup, but I copied his.
Oh, wow. That's awesome.
Yeah, and it's
Here we
working.
go again.
I have one less thing to do. Now, I'm an old dog, and I learned a new trick. I've been trading for 40 years, guys. Today was the first day I just tried using the ATM.
I can't
about
believe that. That's awesome.
Yep. Because it's always about learning. If you can improve, that's why nothing frustrates me more than someone, I've been trading for 5 years and I'm not going to change. Really? Okay. And it's much easier. You already have that 10 tick profit. All you have to do is put a stop to break even. You don't have to worry about. Now, I am using a 30-point stop instead of you're using a 25. That's the only difference, right? That's the only difference we're doing.
Hey guys, we're back in that support zone.
Now we're a little deeper into our support range.
Low ticks. Be patient, guys.
Yeah.
There we go. No, I'm patiently waiting, Ravi. We are patiently waiting. If this makes a W, then I'll probably go.
Yeah, you can get a W. Now the W is forming there. See that, guys?
And Coach, I'm kind of waiting to see if this support zone holds or not.
Yeah,
honestly.
Exactly. Good idea.
Guys, just kind of waiting. We got momentum turning down, guys. So there's the long. Tim, this is a great example of what we were talking about yesterday with sometimes you'll see failed signal. And you got to patiently wait. You guys are long now, right?
Yeah.
I am.
Move your stop up to break even.
There it is.
Yep. Went long on the hook of the stochastics there, Ravi.
Stop at 81 right now. 32.081 is the stop. 84 is the stop. Oh, it hit my final. What happened? Oh, I had a 30. What kind of target did I have? Holy crap.
You got that buy stop in. Oh, no, that would have kept you in.
No, what the heck? I'm flat. I had my stop. Oh, 60-point profit target. Hey, did you ever see? Where did I get? Oh, you know what? This is my original one that I did. Yeah, that was a 60-point winner.
There we go.
That was a 60-point winner.
All right, guys. Victor, call the stops.
I have a 10-point and 60-point. I figured I could always cancel a 60-point. I didn't realize that. That was a 60-point winner, guys.
I'm going to try to get Victor to call a stop now. We're still in this, guys. Are you guys still in it?
Yeah, I had to stop at 81, and all of a sudden it went flat. And I'm looking at my stop, and I'm saying, why isn't it? How could it go flat? It was a 60-point. It was plus 10, plus 60, and 30-point stop. That's what I have it set up for. I thought I would be able to move that 60-point stop I mean, 60-point target, just move it, cancel it at that point and trail the stop. I forgot that I had that. But
Anybody
that's
still in this
okay.
trade with me? Anybody still in?
That's all right. You guys stay
Yeah.
in. Use
job,
that 80
guys.
stop and use the stop that I had, guys, at 80, and then raise that like 20 points, 30 points.
There we go.
Holy cow.
123. This will be my last trade of the day.
Yeah.
Got it.
Yeah. Fooling around with this,
And
up $710.
flat.
Yeah.
I'm doing micro minis and
I am flat, guys.
over $100
Yeah.
already. I'm done for
Those
this.
are my
Yeah.
last
Victor is
contract.
up over
Drop
$100 on a micro mini account, guys.
For 4 trades.
4 for 4.
Yep.
All right. So
All right, Heather. Good job.
think about
Good job,
that.
Fish.
You guys can do this.
Yeah.
The good thing about the ATM, I mean, I get a little nervous having an automatic 30-point stop. But again, why would you want to hold a trade if it's going against you by more than 30? You could always get back in and get 60.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Good job, Heather. Good job, guys. There we go. So, what are we like?
If you look at the pullback, we got
4 for 4
what?
this morning.
About 145-point pullback from the high
How about that? Volatility, volatility
pretty cool,
number
huh?
works.
into our buying zone. So went into the buying zone and then took off.
Ravi, when we get together or when you get with Coach Wilbur, we'll start getting you into these setups, Ravi, so you'll understand more what we're specifically waiting on there. We wanted to see that hook on the stochastics off a low tick read, and then that's the enter trade. So, and full disclosure, guys, I did enter one earlier, get 15 range chart trade, took a quick profit, got out as soon as I saw a red candle forming, and then waited for that trade. So we're just waiting for that hook on the stochastics. Coach probably could do it again here, right?
Yeah. Now I sold automatically at 114. Now I'm not unhappy now, right? Look, it's below 114. So the little old automated system sometimes can outthink the big guru. You know, it did a good job. No, Ravi, do you know what a W trade is? At least look for a W trade. You have nothing right now. It's just going down. So if at least here, try just for practice again, say, all right, we've come down. We're into the buying zone. If it goes above 32,104, go long. That would be the W right there. At least do something. Have a plan. Don't just say, I'm going to go long here. What is here? You know, you need a setup.
You need a setup.
And that's what Coach said. We'll show you the setups.
Yep, we'll teach you the setups, Rob.
Yeah, because it's wrong to go here, because then I'll tell you why it's wrong. A week from now, you'll say, I went long here. You know, what the hell is that? You know, you don't know what it is because we're telling you on Friday, but by Tuesday, how could you review your trades? You want to be able to go back and say, I took a long on a W trade. I took a first touch roll. I took a 1, 2, 3 reversal. I took a low tick read trade, which you just got, by the way.
Yep.
That was minus 4.
I was gonna say it. I took a little dip my toes in the water there.
The other one, Ravi, is a lot of traders use this 20 period moving average on a 15-minute chart as a support point, which right now is 50. Here's another one for you, Ravi. You know the volatility number? 160. Subtract that from the absolute high of this morning, and you'll get your limit order where you could place a limit order and try. All right. So the high was 32,193. Subtract 160 points from that. 133 would be about it, right? And we're saying 19. They've got some buy orders down there. I know some earlier they had some buy orders down there. So in this zone now, you could move it down here. There's your new target to buy. If you can get it down into there, and then it hooks up, even better. Also, though, guys, if you really want to overtrade, some of you should be done for the day.
Bingo.
Here's your 33. Here, we just hit 160 point pullback.
A lot of you should be done for the day. We went 4 for 4 this morning, easy, or 5 for 5, 4 for 4, right, Coach?
Yep.
With a good little runner in there, that's all you need, guys. You get 4 winning trades with a runner, you're done. All right, Mike. Good job, Mike. Thank you. Have a great day, sir. Trade alert. Danger zone played.
Yeah.
I'm kidding, Ravi. I'm kidding, guys. Kidding.
Yeah. Somebody will do it. Yeah, his radio is playing. Go on. Good job.
You already got it? What'd you do? Take a long, Victor?
Victor did, yeah. Victor's long.
Good job.
Grab it.
Hey, he played the support zone like Coach said. There's a reason, guys. It's just like yesterday morning. We specifically told you guys we're trading breakouts long and short. And then we had people saying, what?
Yeah, Victor bought 33 and 26.
There's a reason Coach has the methodology. The reason we talk through this, guys, when we tell you that there's a zone, there's probably a zone.
And that volatility number, you'd be surprised how often you get that number. You know, even on a low range day like today. I mean, the high and low for the whole day is nowhere near what it was last Friday. Last Friday had what, 900 points? Last Friday.
How many the people in the room? You guys know that. How often do you see that volatility number get hit? Almost daily, right?
Yeah. Last low, the one we're talking about was 30,495. High was 31,264. That's a nice range. Today, the whole range from top to bottom since the open last night, 31,921 and 32,193.
Hey guys, keep in mind momentum is down.
Yep.
Officially.
That's why I'm sitting back.
Yeah, if you've traded 4 times on the long side already, maybe it's
Take
time to take a
break.
27-minute break.
Bingo.
That was 5 for 5. Huh?
Why 27-minute break, guys?
Yeah, for newer traders. Why do
Who
you
knows that?
look for 27 minutes? What's so big a deal of 27 minutes?
Because if you add 2 and 7 together, they equal 9.
Yeah. It's double 14 minutes? Yeah. All right. What's significant about 14 minutes?
It's magic. That's why.
Yeah.
Hey, Heather. All right. Heather gave you guys the answer. Market moves.
Heather got it. Yeah.
cycles.
There's a 27-minute cycle in the markets.
I was actually just going to bring that up. I had it on my notes to bring up to the newer guys today.
Yeah.
See if you could talk about it for a minute, guys. I think this is kind of getting a little choppy here. Don't know if I'm done trading cash for the day. Now we can switch to sim and just press buttons, right?
Yeah.
Think of per hour, guys, what you've made. Whatever you've made, some of you, even if you made let's say you made $300 in 30 minutes since the open. $600 an hour.
You know what's funny about
There
that?
you go. Heather, great job.
Went into the dermatologist when I had that thing cut off the other day when I was out, and it's $250.
Hmm.
And I was sitting there thinking, I was like, I can't believe I make more than this doctor
Yeah. And he had to go 12 years to school.
for an hour. I know.
Yep. Big student loans. Not too many doctors, they say, yep, you have a $400 student loan here and you can be a doctor. Well, NinjaTrader lets you open an account for $400.
Coach, I think since we're in this chop and slowly sliding down, a couple people are asking for us to review the trades, kind of help Ravi out, kind of help some of the newer guys out. A
Yeah.
couple messages here. So if you don't mind starting with the pre-market trade we took, we're sitting on the sidelines, guys. We've had a profitable morning. Don't want to
Yep.
overtrade. So those of you that are newer with us, while Coach is getting his chart ready, we are very patient here. We look for specific trade setups, and we're not afraid of missing a move because we know there's always going to be another trade, guys. You go 4 for 4. If you took the trades we took this morning, you should be well over 100, maybe some of you 200 ticks. That's a good day.
Absolutely.
What did Caitlin leave with? 236, something like that. So
Yeah.
that's a good day. You don't need to sit here and trade all day, guys.
Victor sitting here is 5 for 5 today. Good job, Tim.
103 ticks. That's a payday, guys. 100 ticks on 2 contracts, $1,000.
See, Tim set up a call with his coach, Coach Brian. They hammered out something that Tim could use. Now it's a little bit of a more clearly defined objective, a plan. Now he has, and it is tough. You come in here, all of a sudden we're calling 6 different trades. Well, if you can narrow it down, you're going to be a lot better focused. All right, let's go over what we did this morning. When we came in, obviously around this time here, the trend was up and we were looking for pullbacks. Now, I wasn't here. This was the lowest. If you notice, the stochastics never got to 20. I mean, we're talking about from 7 in the morning. That gave you some kind of a hint that the push was going to be higher. So all we could do is look for a pullback. We were trying to get here. The first trade of the day, at least, was trying to buy at the first touch rule. All right. So Ravi and a couple of the newer traders, what is the first touch rule? That means you're already in. Victor's 6 for 6. He's long right now. There's the first touch rule. We put a limit order at the white line that wasn't filled there at 8:19 or so. At 8:32, it wasn't filled here. But at least the stochastics were dropping. Finally, here, when we have really low stochastics, relatively low, we put a limit order 32.039. Then we suggested buying a pullback from here to the first touch rule. You guys remember that? I said, you don't want to buy going up. Who remembers we drawing this little line and saying buy going down? Who remembers that? Yep. So if you got in 1 or 2 here, remember we said have a contest to get the low fill. And I think, who won the low fill? Was it Mike? I forget who it was. Chris? 64. One of you bought at 64. I know Bill brought it at 76, and he could have added at 6. Oh, Mr. New York City bought at 65, right? Yeah. He was in at 70. I know. Yeah, somebody said, you remember where all the traders went in? Yeah, I do. Mr. New York bought at 75. I told him to add at 65. He did. And yet we had another ad down here. No one got filled on the last one. And then this thing started up, and all we were doing is trailing. Where was our final target? If you remember, we were talking about discipline, holding. Now it looks like a puny target. 109, right? So we got in. I got in at the 70 area, got out at 109. And then it was a matter of markets overbought on the open. We had to wait for the first pullback. Remember, Coach Brian said, wait for the first pullback. And as soon as you see the ticks moving up, or what did he use? Now remember, this is just one chart. We're using more than one. Then the 15 range chart. So around, this was 9:30, right? Here's 9:36. Remember this? We got your pullback down to here. This is when the newer traders could trade. 9:36. We were bottoming here, double bottom around 32,069. Right, Ravi? So there's your double bottom. We said you could also take a W in there. Remember, Coach pointed that out. So what do you do when you see this? Your time frame. You then also look at your 15 range chart back here at 9:36. 15 range right there is a buy signal. Everybody see it? There you go. That's all you need. Yeah, Heather got it. Mr.
Yeah.
New York got it. Everybody got it.
I think everybody got that right.
Yeah. Did anyone not get it? Not take it?
That was
Is
our.
there anyone who just says, what is a 15 range? Well, then we'll teach you. This is a 15 range bar. Made a low. You can see the tail right there. The next bar forms above it. Boom. This is it, Robbie, right there. See, right? That is it. This is a 15 range sell signal. There's a whole range. The next bar goes outside of that range. Obviously, if it's lower, it's a sell signal. If it's higher, it's a buy signal. However, you can't use this by itself, right?
No.
We just showed you need other evidence. So at 9:36, with this double bottom, you can then use a 15 range buy signal. And that's it. That's all you need. Don't trade 1,000,000 times each day. Victor has traded is this your 7th time?
Yeah.
He's long now, again, on this 15 range buy on his 7th trade while I'm talking. Got his target. Good job, man.
This is actually the first one on my cash.
Yeah.
I pulled the trigger on cash.
All right. Okay, good.
Gotta get
Hey,
that
there
done.
you go.
Yeah. 23 would be your next target. Or final target, if you will.
So Ravi, go watch the video in the members area, the 16 tick rule video, and that will explain the 15 range signal. But I think, Coach, you just reviewed it, right?
Yeah, just reviewed it, and we do. Yeah, I keep forgetting sometimes that we do have videos. I'm so used to answering questions, but just to confirm it, and at your leisure, good job. Yeah,
Good job, Victor.
Victor going wild. Now you have to. Now the ambulance is coming out because we don't want over trading. Yeah.
Done with open trading, guys.
Yeah.
Unless I do something huge.
Yeah.
7 for 7.
Yeah. 7 for 7. Yeah.
Good job, Victor. All right, Victor, stop trading.
I am done, sir.
Yeah, he's done
All
for the week.
Good job, Victor. Victor, did it make a difference being there with Coach?
Yes, sir, it does.
Maybe slightly.
He gets stories up close and personal. And Victor's got some amazing stories that I've listened to, so works out very well.
Since I've been with you, Coach, I don't think we've had a single person that's come and visited you, include myself, that hasn't turned their trading around.
Good,
Yeah.
good.
I don't think so.
That's
Most of you
No,
guys have, right?
everyone has. It's quite amazing. The boot camp, when you meet your, and for some of your newer traders, see if over the next 6 months or so, we do have them, not every week, obviously, to meet your fellow traders who are in the same situation as you guys are, trying to improve their trading, become professionals at this, where this is your main livelihood.
Yeah, guys.
You're hired in Social Security, you'll triple your Social Security income.
I forgot to announce the boot camp, re-announce the boot camp. You guys, does everybody know about the boot camp? October 3rd through 7th.
Yeah, I think a couple of newer traders probably don't.
We're going to be hosting it again in Clearwater, Florida. Have not picked the venue yet, but just know it's going to be in Clearwater, Florida, guys. You can book your flights if you need to. 3rd through the 7th. And last boot camp, you guys get to come meet us, see us in person, see that we're real. We're really doing this ourselves. You get to watch us do it. We'll slap you on the wrist. We're carrying around bamboo poles while you're sitting there trading and smacking you with those if you overtrade. Just kidding. So, guys, please get in touch with. There's a number you can text. Really big rulers fish. Number you can text. There is a fee for it. Mentorship people do get a discount. Obviously, if you've done an in-person mentorship, you are on your path to being a coach, so there's no charge for you. And if you're a trading room only member, paying $9.99 a month. I think we already told everybody it was $2,500 for an entire week with us, the coaching staff, looking over your shoulder, trading together. It's a great environment. We'll have people. We'll have excursions. You guys can come for the week, trade. If you guys want to stay, bring your family, stay for the weekend. Obviously, we live in paradise, so it'll be beautiful weather. I'm sure of it. And have some fun. Learn a lot about trading. Turn your trading around. Get better at trading. Meet your fellow traders in the room, and get to meet your coaches in person and see that we not only talk the talk, we walk the walk. Is that enough? You guys happy with that? Did I talk too much?
No,
And we got-
in the talk too much category, you're talking to the champion, the world's champion.
the world champion of talk too much,
Talk
head
too
coach.
Yeah, no one.
I love it. It helps to fill the time when we're not supposed to be trading.
Yeah, October 3rd, Heather Fish. Yeah. Yep. Here, let me give you guys the number. It's 727. Here, I'll put it in chat. I think I know this number by now. 727. You got it, Tim? You got ketchup with you? It's kind of early for ketchup, isn't it? 0426. Is that what it is, Tim? Alrighty, guys. Text that number I just put in chat. There we go. Sorry about that. Hit enter. Text that number if you want to reserve your seat for the boot camp. We are keeping this down to, I think we capped it. We're going to be right around 20. We got to keep a good member to coach ratio. We don't want to leave anybody hanging out there and don't get the personal attention you need. So this is going to be a close-knit group of people for a week. We'll all get to know each other well. Some of us will be disgusted of each other after the week's over, and some of us will be lifelong friends after the week. All right, guys, text that number if you want to reserve your seat for it. Thank you. Tim, are you still in this one? All right. Okay, let me ask you: Did our coaching session make a difference? No, our coaching session didn't make a difference. Fine. Yeah, that's what I thought. Great job, Tim. I secretly entered to win a laptop, Mr. New York City, and you got it from me.
Pretty soon we're gonna have the 10:30 reversal, maybe.
All right, Coach. I'm going to jump into this in-person training I'm in right now, and guys, I'll be back here in just a little bit. Thank you. Great job this morning, everybody. Everybody's green, right? Can I ask that before I go?
Yeah, great job, Coach. Everybody green? All right.
Nice. That's what we do here, guys. Good job.
Green team.
Hey, there we go. Back on your consistent ways, Ryan, Mr. Ryan. Green every day. That's what we go for, guys. You can have losing trades. You shouldn't have a losing day. Good job, guys. That's what
And
we go
now
for
let's
here.
keep it.
Yep.
Yeah, Jackson, Mr. New York City won.
Yep. Mr. New York City.
Yeah, like he really
It's
needs
still
that.
sitting behind my desk, though, Mr. New York City. Somebody's going to ship it to you eventually. Promise.
Carrier
Promise.
pigeon. We're going to need 4 carrier pigeons flying in tandem.
There we go. Yeah. I'll take a picture of it and text it to you just so you know it's actually sitting there. Promise. Yeah, guys. If you're green now, my suggestion is take the rest of the day off. It's Friday. Go to work. Go play hockey. I don't know. Go do something. Be done for the day. I don't care if you're up $5 or $5,000. Take that green. Feel good about it. Yeah. Oh yeah. You're right on the lake, aren't you, Ryan? Isn't that where you guys are at? Right. You're right on the lake. Which lake is it? Yeah. All right, Heather. Have a great day. Good job. All right. Okay, guys. Be back here in a little while. One quick disclosure: all of you guys, we keep having people show up coming in on trial. Those of you on trial, once your trial is over, you guys already know this. It's just $99 to be a member of the group, and per month. And please meet with a coach. Make sure you understand the setups. Watch the videos. Uh, please understand the trades we're taking, why we're taking the trades before jumping into any trades. That's my last disclaimer of the morning, and we'll be right back.
Sounds good.